Okay, language explorers, let's look at today's Tuesday verb. So let's look at accept. Accept. To allow something to be the way it is. Or even to agree. Agree to something. I will accept the award. They are going to accept the prize. They'll accept this price now. The way it is, this price, a prize or the award, to agree to something, to allow something to be. I will accept their decision. I accept their decision. Makes sense. How cool is that? So, I will accept your decision. Yeah, there you go. I'll accept your decision. They won't accept your decision. Your choice. No way. So he accepts your choice in clothes. Oh, very good, very good. They accept your choice of drink, for example. They agree to your choice of drink. We want coffee, and they give you coffee. They'll give it to you if you agree to accept it. To accept. Thank you. Here you are. I accept. Thank you. I accept. Accept. Thank you. Here you are. I accept. Thank you. How cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that? So that means then that we can say accept and accepts. They accept. I accept. He accepts. Let's change that. He accepts. She accepts. They accept. They accept my gift. I accept your gift. I accept your gift. Thank you. They accept my gift. He accepts your gift. He accepts your gift. Yeah. How cool is that? Whoops. So then let's look here. So when did you accept the invitation? Yeah. When did you accept the invitation to the party? What's this all about? I didn't know you accepted it. When? When are you thinking about accepting the gift? Yeah. He wants you to accept the gift. I'm accepting it now. Thank you. Yeah. I will accept it when I have time. Yeah, things need to happen. Things need to happen before I can accept the award. Oops. We'll need to sort things out after they have accepted the trophy, for example. The trophy. Trophy. This big thing, trophy. Thank you very much. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, yes, accept. To agree to something. Here you are. Thank you. And to allow something to be the way it is. I accept your choice. We accept your decision. We accept your choice of drink. How cool is that? So, language explorers, can you write accept in a sentence? And you comment below with that sentence and like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons and content to come. Yeah. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. And just search for English with Adrian. Yeah, and you can find me on Udemy too. Just search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.